In this video, we're going to show you how to use your transmission fluid level indicator tool. You're going to use it right through your transmission fill tube. You want to go ahead and locate your transmission fill tube right here, and there's a cap. You want to go ahead and twist that counterclockwise, remove that and set it aside. Now, in using our level indicator here, you're going to get instructions here on how to use this tool. You want to first identify what model vehicle you have. We're working on a 2005 Chrysler 300. So there is our year model here. There's the vehicle application. And this particular vehicle came with two different transmission options. We're able to identify that our vehicle has the NAG1. If you're not too sure what your vehicle has for a transmission, you're going to want to take your VIN number, reach out to your local dealership and ask them what that vehicle has for a transmission, and then you can pick. So we're going to go ahead and identify this here as the NAG1. You come over to our chart, and there's a chart A. On our next sheet here, there are charts. There's going to be A, B, C, and D. We're going to use our chart A, and it gives us how to use this tool here. We have a min level, minimum, a max, and our target. So our minimum is going to be the low point, max, high, and then our target is the line in the middle. What you want to do is get the vehicle up and running, get the vehicle engine up to operating temperature as well as that transmission fluid. You want to go ahead and shift that transmission through the gears, through park, drive, and reverse, all that stuff there, then bring it back and put it in park. We want to go ahead and check our level. So we want to go ahead and install our fluid level indicator tool, and our transmission fluid temperature is on our bottom of the list here. So you're going to want to have some sort of tool to identify that operating temperature. And then you're going to put that dipstick in there, and you want to find out where it falls here. This here, the fluid level indicator is in millimeters, which is on our stick here, in 10 millimeter increments, 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 120. So you want to find that fluid level on here, match it up to where our target goal here is for a transmission and fluid level, and it should meet at the proper location. At that point there, you want to go ahead and add fluid as necessary or remove it as necessary. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, with our transmission fluid up to operating temperature, which is about 195 to 200 degrees, we're going to go ahead and install our level indicator here. Now, at that transmission temperature, we should be ballpark about that 70 to 75 millimeter mark on our dipstick here. So what you want to do is install this here. You want to press this in all the way until it bottoms out on the bottom of our transmission. It's going to hit the bottom of the pan, and then go ahead and pull this out. Now, you should have transmission fluid on here, so you want to be careful it's not going to drip off everywhere. You want to go ahead and check that fluid level. Now, at this point here, our fluid indicator shows that we have roughly about 75 millimeters on here. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick wipe. 75 millimeters. Indicator shows we had about 75 millimeters on there, and we were ballpark about 200 degrees on our fluid temperature. So we're going to follow this up. 75, and it meets us right there in that graph. Our level is at our target goal. If you're low, you want to go ahead and add fluid as necessary. But at this point here, our tool has done its job. We're going to go ahead and reinstall the cap for our dipstick tube. Once you're done checking the fluid level, go ahead and install the cap, twist it clockwise, and it'll lock into place. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.